So the lightning is up in the clouds. I haven't been able to see any like good lightning bolts or anything, but I keep seeing the sky flash. See that? If the rain slows down, I'll come down off the porch, see if we can see more sky. See. Yep, it looks more impressive over this way. Yeah, that looks like pretty impressive. Moving very fast. I wonder how well that's coming out for you guys, if you can see that pretty well. Again, we have a watch. See, you can see it. There's clouds coming this way, and then there's faster moving clouds going that way. But we're in a watch. We're not warned or anything like that. Definitely getting really, really dark over this way. This looks like the most impressive area of cloud. It's a watch, so conditions are possible, but nothing is warned or anything like that. I'm not being totally stupid. My cats are locked up and safe, and if I need to, I can run into the laundry room. Megan's inside listening to Ryan Hall on YouTube and the weather radio. Anybody else dealing with these storms? Like, they're going from Texas, Rhode Island's getting hail, North Carolina had tornado warnings, Indiana, I think Illinois is getting affected. Everything just got real still. You guys saw how quickly the clouds were moving before. Everything just got real still. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous right now. I'm not gonna lie at all about that. Yo, Meg, it feels really still. Like, the clouds look like they were moving fast, and now everything is just still.
Yeah, it almost makes me think about hurricanes and like being in the eye. And I'm just waiting like to come out the other side of it.
This is exhilarating. As a New Yorker who has moved to Tennessee, and I've been here for 10 years, so it's not like I'm new, but this is it's a little exhilarating right now. Like, it's this weird still.
Also, Joe, this storm in Aurora, Missouri, I think, is like really big. The one that Brian Shaw, the storm chaser, is on.
Yeah. It feels really weird. Like, my body feels weird. My body feels like tingling, like weird. And you hear the thunder, but I don't know how to describe it. There's a weird stillness. If you were on this before, you saw the clouds moving. They're moving still. I see them moving there, but not like they were before, not fast like that before. And the rain is stopping, so that's cool. Let's come back down off the porch. Hey, Colorado Mountain. Is the tornado? I hope the tornado is not forming above me. But it's a weird feeling right now. Like I said, Megan is listening to the weather radio. She's listening to that stuff, so she can yell for me. Where are we today? We are in Robertson County, Tennessee. It's like 20 minutes, 30 minutes outside Nashville, Tennessee. And there's just, I don't know how to describe it, like just an exhilarating, weird stillness right now. The clouds definitely look super impressive too. And by impressive, I just mean cool. I don't really know that much about, I want to learn about storm spotting. I want to learn about the different types of clouds and stuff. And I did like a beginner's level thing, but that was a few years ago and I would need to redo it. But look at it. Definitely a lot of different color, a lot of different texture or shape to the clouds. Okay, see now they look like they're moving better again. I feel a little bit better that they're moving. My neighbors are driving by like this person's an idiot. I'm sure of it. Look at that. That looks so cool right there. I love storms. I love listening to thunder and watching lightning, so this is another level. I do feel better that they're moving though. My magnolia is in the way of the really impressive clouds over there. The rain stopped, that's cool. Walk around the side of the house a little bit. My neighbors definitely probably think I'm an idiot. You have a hazard weather for tomorrow? Yeah, ours is going to be today, and I guess it's moving further east, but like the storm system is just insane with the amount of area that it's covering right now. Like I said, I know Texas had a tornado warning, Rhode Island had hail, Missouri, Indiana, Kentucky, Tennessee all have had tornado warnings or currently have tornado warnings. Has Michigan? Ashley, I'm in Tennessee, so I'm about 30 minutes away from Nashville, Tennessee, between Nashville and Kentucky. You're in South Carolina. So Charlotte, North Carolina had a tornado warning. And then I think this storm is going to continue moving, to the east, so you in South Carolina. And then I think it's going to also get like the top of Florida and Georgia too. Yeah, these clouds were really intense for a minute. The sky's lightening up over there, that's cool. You're in Chattanooga. Hi, neighbor. Very far distance neighbor. Charleston, South Carolina. Alabama's under tornado watch. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. These storms are covering such a wide area. Alabama, you guys have had it rough this year too. It seems like every single storm is Alabama and Mississippi. Oh, hello, Clarksville. Yes, you guys are. You guys had a crazy... Hey, Wrangler, I think you've been on my lives before. Yeah, I remember you. There was a really big tornado that they were talking about over by Clarksville earlier today too. You guys have been getting a pounding. There's a very unhappy truck I hear honking. I'm gonna guess it's over on 24 somewhere. I wonder if traffic stopped with the rain. It got so dark so fast. It's a little lighter now. It was definitely pretty intense for a minute. Let's go this way because the clouds went this way. Ugh, my grass is super wet. We are still in a flood watch, and we had my whole yard earlier. All of this was flooded. That ditch was flooded over. It's receded a bit. I wasn't looking. I don't know if you guys saw that lightning flash. I am in Tennessee. I'm in Robertson County, Tennessee, so between Nashville and Kentucky. Good thunder. Definitely good sound. Do you kind of see the light flashes, I hope? Not seeing any lightning bolts. I'll be really smart and stand under the giant magnolia as I look for lightning. Let's look over here. Yeah, see, even you can see how much it's lightened up already from when I started this live to now. So what? It was only a few minutes. Where are you from? I'm in Tennessee. I'm not originally from Tennessee. I've lived here for 10 years. But I'm in Tennessee halfway between Nashville and Kentucky. We still have like some good like different definition to the clouds. People talk about shelf clouds and wall clouds. I want to learn more about that so I can identify better what I'm looking at. Oh, my neighbor's car alarm's going off. Let's get you guys out of the trees and back up at the clouds. That's a good thunder roll. Light flash. I don't want to go too far into my yard because it was really wet before. That's just been going. Yeah, we have a tornado. I always forget which one it is. The less serious one right now. We have the conditions that could create a tornado, but there is no actual radar. I always forget which one it is. The less serious one right now. We have the conditions that could create a tornado, but there is no actual radar. We had like 9 different tornadoes. That thunder is still going. It hasn't stopped. I'm just talking over it, but it has not stopped. We had like 9 different tornadoes. That thunder is still going. It hasn't stopped. I'm just talking over it, but it has not stopped. Just constant thunder. Alan, I'm in Tennessee. Halfway between Nashville, Tennessee and the Kentucky border. Look how much lighter it is now than it was before though. If you were on here before. Like you saw it go from light or a little dark to dark, and now it's lightening up. Hey, look over there. See, and that's what I mean. Like to me, I'm like, oh look, doesn't that look like it's a little bit lower? But it doesn't go to the ground for sure, but it just looks like it's a little bit lower. That's why I gotta learn more about clouds. Megan will definitely yell at me though if, listen to that thunder. I'm gonna walk a little bit closer to the door again in case I need to hear Megan. Let's look over on this side of the house because it's pretty dark over here. That cloud looks like a turtle. See his head and his shell and his little feet? It's definitely a turtle. Oh wow, yeah, okay, let's come this way. A little bit of a better lightning flash. Let's come this way. A little bit of a better lightning flash. For real though, the sky is so much brighter now than it was just a few moments ago. It's brighter now than it was just a few moments ago. That stillness though, that was pretty neat. I don't really have a good way of describing that, but it definitely felt different. Again, obviously nothing. I don't want anyone to think that we're out here looking at a tornado. Conditions, nothing certain. It could happen, but it is not. If it did, I would be, a responsible adult and definitely go inside and not film it for sure. There's some more lightning. That's pretty. And still, like, the thunder is just... That's pretty. And still, like, the thunder is just... in there. All right, that thunder roll I think just about finished. So that was going just there, starting again. Just think just about finished. So that was going just there, starting again. Just all right, that's a good thunder. All right, that's a good thunderclap. So let's see if we can see a good lightning flash. Lightning over there. No hail. Thank God. Oh, I just noticed that the fascia of my roof up there is a little damaged. Run when I hear the train. I definitely will, John. I will, no doubt, run as quickly as I can if I hear a train. Does it really sound like a train? That's what I've always wondered. That's how everyone describes it, so I feel like it's probably that I'll know it when I hear it type deal. I don't know if I can hear tornado sirens from here. There's some, I think, by the highway. But I don't know if there's any that I can actually hear from my house. Let me show you the beautiful tree. All right, here we go. Before the storm, the tornado that they were saying was down in Springfield, I think I was able to see that from a distance. It had already pulled back up, but I saw like clouds doing this and clouds doing that. And so I think that was the rotation of it trying to reform. And then it went out of sight. I don't think I see anything like that right now. Like the clouds all look like they're behaving and going the same way. Simon, this is in Tennessee, about halfway between Nashville, Tennessee and the Kentucky border. It's definitely getting dark again, and it's cold. It's getting cold. Not wind picking up like before. Oh. Oh. Oh.
You guys see this hook? In and out. This is what we're talking about today, a widespread severe weather outbreak. We've had hundreds of severe thunderstorm warnings.
So it's almost due west of us.
I mean, we just had a lot of severe weather today.
And they move north and they move east.
3 hours and 43 minutes into the broadcast, not even halfway through. We do expect the tornado threat and the severe weather threat to continue to be pretty much where it's been throughout the rest of the evening.
So thunderstorm warning right now, considerable. My
When-
internet is phasing.
When do we know that we can go back out?
Well, if he shows us that radar, we'll be able to see when the hook moves past. Do you have people? I'm sorry, this is a terrible video for you guys.
I only have 8 people, it's okay.
By sharing us on Twitter, Instagram,
I keep losing
Facebook,
connection, so I don't
wherever.
even know if they can.
TikTok.
Or if you guys can still, I keep losing connection, so I don't even know if you guys can still hear or see anything.
Video, not because we want to feel like we're popular or anything, but because it actually really does work. But if enough people interact with the video, the YouTube algorithm will put us in front of somebody that might need the information that we are sharing here. Because there's a ton of people on YouTube just browsing right now in these affected areas.
I still hear the thunder.
From the Aurora Police Department in Missouri,
There we are.
We got
There's
trees
Pleasant View
down,
and
gas
Springfield.
Yeah, so we're
leaks,
right in
in the
between that.
Aurora area.
So I don't know
Also, there's
which
a trailer
storm chaser this
jackknifed. No
this
known
head is
injuries
that's right
so
there.
far.
It's this one. I'm pretty sure that says Robertson County, Tennessee.
We got a video.
Oh, that's
Brad Arnold.
Brad Arnold.
Oh no, the tornado sniffer.
Where is he?
This one's from Jim in Greensburg, Kentucky. You have some more hail. Once again, if you end up under a severe
Wrangler, are you still
thunderstorm
there?
like today, this is what's possible.
Wrangler, you be
gotta get
careful,
those
buddy. I mean,
vehicles,
obviously this is south of you.
under a carport garage. If you don't have that, maybe get creative like Jim here and put it under the tree. But keep in mind, might not be the best place because we're also going to see some strong winds that can knock over trees today.
Zoom in some more.
Our tornado warned storm that's capable of producing
So
a
it's
tornado.
over. Okay, it's north of us.
Everybody in that town is in their safe spot in Tennessee.
That's us,
Additionally,
Coopertown.
Springfield, this is coming towards you. Chestnut Orchard, Cortland, Oakland, Green
It's
Valley.
just barely north of us.
And Greenbrier,
We're good
Tennessee. Take
because it's just
shelter.
barely north of us. I'm comfortable with it.
Here's a view of the storm earlier. Here at Lafayette.
You're going south.
Wow. It's really, really windy. We can see everything blowing around. Megan went to the back door. I'm gonna go. Hear that rain, how hard it's raining and blowing. We're going back inside. It's getting considerably windier out there.
I know, I'm watching these trees over here. Joe, you hear that rumble?
We can't see anything.
Well, it could be rain wrapped.
Did this water come in?
It's from when I had the window door open.
Oh.
County in south central Kentucky until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Sorry, this is terrible footage for you guys.
Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near
Did you hear that rumble?
miles southeast of Dawson Springs, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazards, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous.
We are in Robertson County, Tennessee, halfway between Nashville and Kentucky.
Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur.
We were in our laundry room. We came out of it.
Thunderstorm will remain over mainly
Because
rural
the
areas
radar
of
is north
northeastern
of us.
Robertson County. This includes Tornado Parkway between mile markers 21 and 27. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows.
Ignore my messy house.
Or outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.
You can see the rain on my neighbor's roof.
So, Joe, this is the one that's going towards Nashville.
Look at it just, I don't know if you can see it.
No, this is another one.
Look at how gray it is out. Blowing, just blowing rain. Look at it gushing off my roof. See it blowing. It's crazy. Yeah, I don't mind thunder and lightning. I like thunder and lightning. I don't know if you can see how it's blowing like that. See my yard starting to flood over there. The ditch still looks like it's doing good. Look at that blowing. It is really blowing out there. Oh my God.
Yeah, Joe, we probably have to go in again. This is a different one right now. It was at Ashland City moving. It was west of Ashland City moving. We probably need to go back into the laundry room right now.
Look at the trees.
You have a moderate risk of excessive rainfall from the Weather Prediction Center. Reports of Kentucky and Tennessee, so I'm not the only one saying this.
Come on. We are in Robertson County, Tennessee. It's a small town. We're near Springfield, Tennessee. That would be the bigger town. I'm gonna come back into my laundry room. I know, guys. Hold on, I'm gonna turn the light on. Come on, Meg.
Yep, I'm fine.
There we go. Hi, Skibby. Say hi, Skibby. You're so unhappy. You can just see the anger. It's for your own good, buddy. That's Whiskey Town. I know. Hi, Monty. You sweet little squeakies. Cooper, are you settling in? What? Is that Brooklyn or Shiloh? Who's meowing?
Hi, Whiskey.
Hi, Brooklyn. I know.
Hi, Skippy. You're okay.
I know.
Monty, you're okay.
Some of the
buddy.
most impressive imagery I've seen so far today is definitely from the hail. We've had some very large hail reports.
Yeah. Cooper, you're settled in. You settled down, buddy? Hi, little man. Hi, little buddy.
And I think that that's gonna
Yeah, I didn't want you guys to
be a problem
meet like
here,
this.
as we go forward. In fact, the hail situation is probably going to get even worse.
I now have 76 people looking at my cats. This is my cat.
Sorry, guys. We're in
the laundry room now.
Sprague.
Say hi, Monty. There's
Thank
90
you so
people,
much for the
104
20 kit.
people.
Just happened to look over there and see that. Thank you so much.
Monty, that's rude.
That's a big
Montgomery.
win, big W.
There's Cooper.
Come on, Monty.
He's our newest cat. Say hi, Monty. 132 people as we sit in our laundry room. Right, Brooklyn? Yeah, they're cute. There's a lot of them.
So what I'm going to
We got them in their carriers in under 15 minutes, though, so that was kind
I'm
of...
telling you, it was
Megan thinks it was
that.
less than 15 minutes, but...
From west to
Well, we'll do
east.
this real quick. I did it before, but I'll do it again. There's Montgomery. There's Cooper.
If we need to
Cooper.
take our attention, elsewhere.
Silly boy. Kokomo is an all-black cat, so you can't see him. Brooklyn and Shiloh are sisters. They're hanging out there. Whiskey Town has orange cat energy. Skibbereen is a little tabby, and she's very unhappy right now. Hi, Skibby. And then our old man is down here. And that's Nopley. And he's super unhappy. But that's just how he is. Yes, yes, it is a lot of cats. Cooper we've only had him for a couple of months. So we work in a warehouse, and somehow we don't know where a trailer from over 1,000 miles away pulled up. They opened it up, and he was inside. So he ran around our building. Eventually we caught him, and we took him home. We are in Tennessee. We are under a tornado warning, which means that we went to to my laundry room, which is an interior room, someplace where we're safe.